Want to change the resolution of a video? HandBrake makes it easy to resize your videos for different screens, devices, and platforms. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change video resolution in HandBrake in 2026 while keeping the picture looking natural. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the video you want to resize and wait for it to load. Before making any changes, check the original resolution so you can compare it with the final video. Next, open the dimensions or picture settings in HandBrake. This section contains the controls you need to change the video's width and height. Yeah, depending on your HandBrake version, the exact layout may look a little different. Now choose the new resolution you want. You can lower the width and height to make the video smaller, or select a higher resolution when your workflow requires it. When reducing the resolution, choose a size that's appropriate for where the video will be watched or shared. Next, check the aspect ratio and make sure the original proportions are maintained. This helps prevent the video from looking stretched or squeezed. Take a moment to check the preview and confirm that the main content still fits correctly inside the frame. Now open the Video tab and review the encoder and quality settings. Changing resolution affects the dimensions, while these settings determine how the video is encoded. If you're lowering the resolution to save space, choose a reasonable quality level so the final video doesn't lose more detail than necessary. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish processing the video. When it's done, open the new file and verify the resolution and overall picture quality. So you've successfully changed the video resolution using HandBrake, and that's how to change video resolution in HandBrake. Open your video, adjust the dimensions, keep the aspect ratio correct, review the quality settings, and start the encode. Once you know where these controls are, resizing videos for different devices and platforms becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.